Hi folks, Ali Flores here again with OrlandoVacation.com, and it's time for another fun video to give you some tips and tricks on how to make your Orlando vacation awesome. What are we talking about? We're going to talk about how to rent a wheelchair or scooter at SeaWorld Orlando. For guests who need assistance getting around the parks, here is everything you need to know about scooter and wheelchair rentals at SeaWorld Orlando. All right, before we get into all that, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified when these videos pop up. All right, let's get to it. The rental of wheelchairs are on a first-come, first-served basis. To pick up your rental, it is located towards the front of the park, left of the lighthouse. You must be 18 years of age or older to rent a wheelchair and have a photo ID. Now, reservations can be made a day ahead of your trip. Their recommended weight is 250 pounds. A deposit of $50 is required when you pick up the wheelchair and will be refunded when you return the chair that day. The number to call is in the description for a reservation. ECV mobility carts are also available to reserve. You do need to reserve the day before, like the wheelchairs. They recommend a weight limit of 350 pounds. You can be 16 years of age to rent and drive an ECV. You do also require a photo ID. Now, the person who rented the ECV is the only one who can operate it and the only one permitted to ride on it. If you have your own wheelchair or ECV, you are invited to bring it with you to the park. If you do need further assistance for line waiting and the RAP or Ride Accessibility Program, see our video on how that process works to make your SeaWorld Orlando experience perfect. All right, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or just need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.